5 reasons to learn English.
1. English allows you to communicate with 1.6 billion people worldwide, which is about 20% of the global population. 2. Learning English connects you to globalization, like business, computing, and technology. 3. Learning English means discovering a new culture. The more languages you know, the greater your global understanding and appreciation for different cultures. 4. English is the language of travel in today's world. It lets you communicate easily wherever you go, making your travel experiences smoother and more enjoyable. 5. Mastering English improves your overall speaking skills and makes it easier for you to learn other languages.